थी, उनकी पहली जो एहलिया थी वो भी उनको छोड़ के गई। तो क्या आप या हिना के ख़ानदान को इस मामले के बारे में पहले से कोई इल्म था?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमको कुछ पता नहीं था। आई मीन मैं इन स्पेसेस में काफ़ी देर से काम कर चुकी हूँ वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन और ये चीज़ें पे, और अफसोस की बात है कि कत्ल होके के हो कत्ल होके के बाद ये सारी चीज़ें बाहर निकलती हैं। आई अब ट्रस्ट मी, माय फैमिली इज डेविस्टेटेड that we didn't see any of this before and we didn't know before, because फिर ये रिश्ता होता भी नहीं, ये शादी भी नहीं होती, because she wouldn't have accepted it herself. Henna, when she got married, you see, you have to understand that Henna, both intelligent, confident, brilliant woman है, like ये जो शादी थी वो पूरी autonomy से खुशी से हुई थी. She wanted to get married. And I would implore people to understand that yes, it's horrifying on social media, but it's also horrifying to have not known, because Hina would have never, I believe, and I know, and I believe our family knows the way we are, she wouldn't have gone further with it if we had known. That this is the way he thinks and this is the way he acts, because it's very, very horrifying. And I think one of the things that one can really learn from this is that you have to believe women when they come out and say these things, even if it's about a professor, because, sorry, it's upsetting. So
let's talk about इन्वेस्टिगेशन नाउ. आपके मुताबिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन कहाँ तक पहुंची है? क्योंकि पुलिस का मौक़िफ़ तो हमने जानने की कोशिश की थी पहले भी अपने रिपोर्टर से, लेकिन क्योंकि अब आपसे ताज़ा तरीन बात हो रही है, तो ये कार्रवाई कहाँ तक पहुंची है, इस वक्त किस मरहले में है?
I think they're pretty much public knowledge, क्योंकि investigation चल रही है, अभी भी चल रही है. We have a lot of faith in this investigation. We feel that the police are being meticulous. वो काफ़ी details में जा रहे हैं, which is the best thing you can do, because ये case succeed होगा, convictions भी होंगी based on the evidence. So what we know right now is, as I'm sure you've also reported on at this point, the remand was extended the day before. So they're still gathering evidence. Forensics have been done. DNA has been collected. And that is where we are at right now. So as the case is still open and under investigation, there is only so much I can say, but that is where we're at, and we're very confident in the evidence collection.
Let's talk about Hina's in-laws. क्या हिना के ससुराल वालों के साथ आपका या किसी भी फैमिली के फर्द का कोई कांटेक्ट था, राबता हुआ है? अगर हुआ है तो उनकी जानिब से अब क्या स्टैंड सामने आ रहा है?
We are we are not speaking to them. I don't believe we should be, and we're not going to be. Their stance, जब police आई थी ससुराल के घर पे, when Hina's body was discovered, the whole world has read at this point, but her neck was broken. She was beaten so badly that she was just covered in bruises and lacerations everywhere. The in-laws were trying to make this seem like that was their stance, which we firmly do not believe, and the evidence also will not corroborate. So where they're standing on this is not our concern right now, to be honest with you. We're very distraught as a family, and I'm sorry, there was a second part to your question. I sort of lost it a little bit. You were saying, yeah, so this was their stance, which we obviously are not accepting.
अच्छा, please tell us, there is a lot of now evidence in front of you, in front of whole world. So क्या आप समझती हैं कि that was planned activity, उनका मंसूबाबंदी से कत्ल किया गया है?
We think our demand has stayed the same, that through the investigation, we believe that जो evidence discover hogi, the details of the case जो police will put together, that we believe that the father of Faisal should also be investigated and arrested. That is the only additional demand we have. Otherwise, as any bereaved family who finds themselves in this situation, our demand is that we get convictions to the highest state that the law allows. Anybody would say that we want it to be fast or hame insaf jaldi mile, but really we are invested in it being a strong case. So jitna time lagega, we are ready to stand here. We're not giving up. We want justice for Hina and we want justice for ourselves.
अच्छा, मुझे ये भी बताएं कि अब ऐसी इत्तलात सामने आ रही हैं कि हिना के वालिदैन को उनकी सेहत के बाइस अभी तक इस वाक़े के बारे में नहीं बताया गया, तो क्या ये सही बात है? इसकी किस तरह से तस्दीक हो सकती है? आप इसको अग्री करती हैं? ऐसा ही है?
Hina has a very loving, very close-knit family. मैं actually अभी उन्हीं के घर से आ रही हूँ. Her brother, her younger brother, the one who was the first on the scene from our family who was called there. She has an older sister she's incredibly close to. She is now here as well. So they're sitting together and there's a very strong family. It is true her mother has advanced stage Alzheimer's. So how much she understands about what has happened, that's really only between her and God, I guess, that she knows. But she loved Hina a lot. Hina would come and see her almost every single day. I think people also a misconception is that, you get married and your home is no longer your home with
Sabah,
your family.
let's talk about the crucial part. What is your demands from judiciary and other institutions? क्या आप चाहती हैं कि इस केस के हवाले से इसको स्पीड अप करने के लिए कुछ हाई अप्स के सामने आप कुछ रखना चाह रही हूँ?
I think, जब मैं इन चीज़ों पर बातें करती हूँ, मैं लोगों की आंखें में, glazed over look देखती हूँ कि ये femicide है. Femicide, genocide का of course अब हम सब जानते हैं उसका मतलब. But femicide is when it's women and girls focused. And I think in this case also with Hina, such a violent, brutal crime. I mean, it cannot be said enough. We believe the evidence shows that this was premeditated. And to your point, I've talked about many cases in my work, and many of the times I think people want to excuse things with emotion or with anger or with this or with that. But asal mein, the tragic reality is that sometimes the men that we have trusted with our daughters, with our sisters, commit violent crimes simply because they want to and they planned to.
Thank you.
Which is what
Thank you so much, बानो. सबा बानो मलिक हमारे साथ मौजूद थी, जो कि कज़न थी हिना जावेद की और उस केस के हवाले से डिस्कस करी.